And then let's see the LMS. Okay. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, for this week, we will have review and exercises, yeah, for the preparation of ATS or middle term assessment. Okay, and then for the topics that you should learn is part of sentence, direct indirect object, articles, phrasal verbs and collocation, and the last is reading comprehension. Yeah. So for reading comprehension, the text is about the text last week. Do you remember? Mercury and the
Woodman.
Yeah. So the text is Mercury and the Woodman. Yeah. Okay, if you scroll, nah, on the left side, you can see the notes, yeah. And then on the right side, yeah, you will see the exercises. And if you scroll again, you will see the responses. Yeah. Okay. So some student in 5B already answered it. Thank you. So now, yeah, we will answer the exercises together, yeah. And these exercises, yeah, you may answer it as many as you need. Yeah, if you want to answer it once, it's okay. Twice or 3 times, yeah, silakan.
Miss.
Yes. Yes.
Coba Miss lihat responnya Nathan tadi. Lihat kok nggak ada Nathan.
Oke. Ya, mungkin belum masuk. It's okay, ya.
Poinnya banyak banget 71.
Wah, iya. Nathan pasti bisa ya. Kalau hati-hati mengerjakan pasti bisa. Okay, so click next again. Okay, Miss Rus will use EMTA.
What is EMTA?
Exercise middle term assessment.
Oh.
5B. Okay, 5B. Miss Rus use name of Gung Satya ya, but I will not submit it.
Why?
Because this is not Gung Satya.
Oh.
Itu Miss Rus.
It is all of us.
Okay, so number 1, Nathan, please read the question.
Miss, saya absen aja, Miss.
Oke, nanti tenang saja, semuanya datang. Oke, Nathan.
There are some part of sentence. Those are subject, predicate, object, and adverb. And analyze the sentence below carefully. The subject of the sentence is SpongeBob and Patrick.
Good, SpongeBob and Patrick. Yeah, remember, subject is the character of the sentence. Yeah. Thank you. Next, Nanda.
There are some parts of sentence. Those are subject, predicate, object, and adverb.
Analyze.
Sentence carefully. The predicate of the sentence is
Predicate.
It.
Good. Yeah, it. Nah, predicate is what did the subject do? Yeah, the activity of the subject. Thank you. Next, Putri.
Okay. Object has 2 kinds. They are direct object and indirect object. Please observe the sentence below. The indirect object is you.
Nah, so here, yeah, I will explain a little bit. Yeah. Nah, indirect object. Yeah, indirect object is someone or thing that receive thing from the subject. Jadi, indirect object is the receiver, penerima. Orang yang menerima benda yang diberikan oleh si subjek. And then direct object is the thing that the subject given. Jadi benda atau sesuatu yang diberikan oleh si subjek direct object. Kalau dikasih ke orang, orang tersebut jadinya indirect object. So here the sentence, he gave a pen to you. So the indirect object atau yang menerima bendanya adalah
You.
you. Good. Ya. So the answer is you. Oke, ya.
Nggak dipajak.
And
Nggak
yes.
diklik. Nggak diklik.
Oke, wait a second. Nah, dan in this sentence ya, kita bisa tahu juga indirect objectnya karena ada di sini to you. Ya. But tapi kalau misalkan sentence-nya berubah menjadi gini, he gave you a pen. Nah, ini biasanya anak-anak kadang bingung. Ya. Jadi ada yang bilang indirectnya itu a pen miss, padahal seharusnya tetap you.
Lah.
Ya, cuman beda posisi.
Miss
Yang di
pennya
sini-
menerima dong.
Jadi
Yes.
ya, yang menerima kan si you, ya. Oke, cuman kalau yang ini lebih gampang karena ada to-nya. Kalau di sini tidak ada to. Oke, so the answer is you.
You.
Okay, next, this one. Ayu, please.
Read the following sentence carefully. It should be complete with articles. The correct articles to fill in the blanks are yang they and the.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yeah, good. So it means that we need to eat fruit or
Apple.
healthy food, yeah, not only apple every day. So we can keep our body healthy and we will not sick. So we will not go to the doctor like that. Ya, maksudnya seperti itu supaya selalu makan makanan sehat. Okay, next, Aurel, please.
Okay, Miss. Object is a part of a sentence that receives the action from the subject. There are two kinds of object. There are as follows: direct object and indirect object. Analyze the sentence below. The direct object of the sentence is a packet.
Good, yeah, the direct object, the thing that will be given to someone, a packet. And then Nikki is the indirect object or the receiver, penerima, yang menerima paket. A packet.
Pass.
Okay, next, Aka, please.
Blank blank. As men always speak blank blank truth.
Okay, so the H here is silent, tidak terbaca. Jadi bacanya honest. An honest man always speak
The truth.
the truth.
Truth.
Ya.
Di.
Okay, this is the last question for multiple choices. Wawa, please.
Location. Location. What is location? Oh,
Okay, Wawa, please read it.
remember. Others are so as shown by the sentence below. The correct
You must work hard or else you will get
Fired.
Fired.
good.
Apa maksudnya get along?
Get along itu akrab.
Oh,
Ya, terbiasa dengan sesuatu. Ya, sama orang itu langsung baru kenal tapi bisa langsung nyaman ngobrolnya like that. Okay, kalau get lost, do you remember what is get lost?
Tersesat.
Tersesat. Good. Get started.
Ayo dimulai.
Ya, okay, good.
Starting.
Berikutnya, next. Okay, this one is complex multiple choices. Ya.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, so please Alexa read this question.
Yes, pilihnya 1, 2, atau 3.
A sentence
Dua.
is a group of words that makes a complete sense and it has some parts. Look at the following sentence carefully. The sentence which have plural subject are
Okay, good. Here, plural subject. Plural subject means the subject is more than one. Okay, can you guess? Ada yang tahu?
Ayah. Me.
Okay, what is that? Can you mention it?
Yang the student visits the museum
Okay,
and
the students with us or without us here?
Just with the S, with the S.
Okay, the students.
the student visit the museum.
And then one more.
Upin and
Upin and Ipin study.
Good. Yeah, Upin and Ipin study in Mei
Wow.
house.
Upin and Ipin.
Yeah, you need to choose 2 answers here. Yeah.
Indirect object.
Next students for reading this question is Gusweda, please. Okay, please read this question, Gusweda.
Easy.
Object. There are direct object and indirect object. Analyze the following sentences. The sentences that have indirect object are.
Okay, remember indirect object is the receiver atau orang yang menerima benda. Oke. He makes a craft. Apakah di sini ada the receiver?
No, just direct.
No. Okay. He buys a ticket to Nikki.
Yes.
Yes. You eat a plate of rice.
No.
No.
Okay. And then the last, I give a gift to Sunny. Yes. Okay. Jadi the second and the fourth answers has the indirect object. Thank you. Next, Clara, please.
Article
Consists
of a, an, and the. They have different functions. Read this sentence carefully. The sentence that
use ini use bacanya.
Use articles correctly. Are.
Okay, let's see. The students wear an uniform. Is this
No.
correct? No, ya, ini bukan. No, because we read this one as you, not u. Yeah. And then this one, a otter lives in the sea. No. The students wears a uniform. Yes. An otter live in the sea. Yes. Ini benar ya. Okay, so the third and the fourth one. Let's click the answers. Okay, nah, this one.
Gampang.
Gung Satya, please.
Putri.
Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. There are some parts of a sentence. They are as follows: subject, predicate, and object. Read the following sentence carefully. The correct parts of sentence are shown by.
Okay, let's see. Subject, sentence 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yang sentence 1 itu benar.
Yes, and then?
And yang sentence kedua itu benar juga.
Okay, good. Yeah. Sentence 1 and sentence 2. Okay. Subject is always in the beginning of the sentence. Yeah. Thank you. Next, Opang, please read it. Please unmute first, Opang.
Object is a part of sentence that
Receive.
receive
Receive.
action from the subject. There are two kinds
Two kinds.
of objects. They are as follows: a direct object and indirect object.
Analyze.
Analyze the sentence below the correct direct object according
According.
to the followings are.
Okay, nah remember, direct object is the thing that will be given. Yang akan diberikan. Nah, so here, direct object is
No.
her.
No.
Direct object is me.
No.
Direct
No.
object is a book.
Yes.
Yes. Direct object is a pen.
Yes.
Yes. Ya, jadi remember direct object itu adalah benda yang akan diberikan kepada orang atau yang lain, ya. Okay, good. Nah, next I will ask the next student to read it. Nathan, please. Hi, Nathan. Oke, oh Rafa first. Rafa dulu.
Okay.
Oke.
Object is a part of sentence that receives the action from the subject. There are two kinds of object. They are as follows: direct object and indirect object. Analyze the sentence below. The correct indirect objects according to the followings are.
Okay, so now we need to find the indirect objects, ya. Someone who get the thing. Jadi orang yang menerima benda, ya. Let's see here. She gave a bag to me. The indirect object is me. Is this correct?
Yes.
How about this one? The indirect object
No,
is a
no,
bag.
no,
No. The indirect object is a cake.
No.
No. The indirect object is him.
Yes.
Good. Okay. The next is short answers. Yeah. So here in the short answers, yeah, you only need to choose only. Ya, cuman milih aja. Okay. Nathan, where are you? Maybe Nathan is going somewhere. Wahyu? Or Arjun? Hello? Please read the sentence. Okay, Arjun.
Yes, Miss.
A sentence, a group of words that make a complete sense. There are some parts of sentence. They are as follows: subject, predicate, object, and adverb. Read the following sentence carefully. The press, a comic, is an Nobita reads a comic every day.
Okay, Nobita reads a comic every day. Yeah, so a comic here is an
Object.
object. Good. Say we choose object. Thank you. Okay, the next please Wahyu.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, Wahyu.
Sorry tadi lagi ngurus adiknya.
It's okay.
A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. There are some parts of a sentence. They are as follows: subject, predicate, object, and adverb. Observe the sentence below carefully. The underlined word refers to a...
Okay, she writes a note.
Wait.
It is a subject or predicate?
Predicate.
Good. Thank you. Okay.
Bentar, Miss, baru segini ada ya dicekak saya.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, the next please Opang, Pasca, I mean.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, Pasca, please read this one.
There is a university in this city.
Good. There is a university in the city. Good. Thank you. Next. Next is Tanaka, please. Hello.
Yeah,
Okay,
Miss.
Tanaka, please read this question.
Object is a part of sentence that receives the action from the subject. There are two kinds of subject. They are as follow direct object and indirect object. Analyze the sub sentence below. That underlined word is a
Okay, Mark gives me a candy. So candy is the thing that will be given. Yeah. It is direct or indirect?
Direct.
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 Good.
Miss.
Nah, jadi bendanya candy. B is the indirect. Okay, good. Next, Nathan. Nathan, where are you? Maybe going somewhere, yeah?
Miss
Okay,
panggil Nathan, Miss.
yes, Nathan. Okay, Nathan. Please read this question.
Verbs are combination of verbs or particles. Look at the following sentence carefully. The correct particle to complete the partial verb is Karina wakes up at 6 o'clock.
Good. Karina wakes up at 6 o'clock. Okay, the next is matching words.
Miss,
Ya.
sebelumnya Miss tadi panggil Nathan nggak?
Iya, Miss
Soalnya
tadi panggil
Ya.
Nathan.
Soalnya
Berkali-kali, Nat.
Iya, Nathan kemana tadi?
Soalnya tiba-tiba suaranya kecil.
Oh, oke,
Suaranya
oke.
kecil.
It's okay. Now we will start again from Ayu.
Okay. A sentence is group of words that makes a complete sense. There are some parts of sentence as follows: subjects, predicates, object, and adverb. Read the following sentence carefully. The categories its part. Jessica drives her car carefully. Carefully to adverb. And her car is object. Jessica is subject and drive is predicate.
Okay, good. Thank you, Ayu. Yeah, next will be read by Pasca, please.
Okay, Miss. She buys me a cake. I lend her a pen. Object is a part of a sentence that receives the action from the subject. There are two kinds of object as well. Okay.
Okay. Nah, the sentence is number one, she buys me a cake and then I lend her a pen. Yeah, remember the direct object is the thing that will be given to someone. Yeah, and then indirect object is the receiver, penerimanya. Yeah, so a cake is
Direct object.
direct object. Good. Me,
Indirect object.
indirect object. Her,
Indirect.
indirect. And then a pen,
Direct
direct object. Good. Okay, thank you. Next, Alexa, please.
Yes, Miss. Can anyone lend her an umbrella? In the morning, the beggar knocks at my door. Mr. 10 is the best. The berarti in the morningnya
Good. Thank you, Alexa. Nah, this one. Aka, please.
First,
Faisal.
verb, combination of verb and artists. Look at the incomplete sentence carefully. Pair each sentence with the correct partial verb.
Okay, so let's see here. The song sounds good, but I cannot listen to it well. Can you?
Turn
Turn off.
Turn off.
Ya.
Turn
Jadi
off.
kan, tolong besarin dong, nggak kedengeran. Nah, like that. And then the second one, today is very cool. Blank, 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 the AC, please, because I don't wear a jacket.
Turn off.
Turn
Off.
off. Good. And then, I cannot listen to your voice because the music is too loud. Could you please?
Turn down.
Turn down.
Ya, musiknya terlalu keras. And then, it is hot. Please, blank, 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 the
Turn
fan
on.
because it
Turn
is
on,
hot.
turn on,
Turn on. Good.
Miss,
Yes.
bisa ada panggil saya tadi?
Who is that?
Saatnya, Miss.
Oh, Satya. Belum ada.
Oke.
Okay.
Tadi,
Oh, so we are already in the
wow.
Miss, kenapa Ali sama Stephen Hawking terus?
yeah, there are two texts here. Yeah, Alice and Stephen Hawking. Okay, the first we will read the text here. For Aurel, please read the text.
Okay. Read the text below carefully. Then answer the questions correctly. Down the rabbit hole. Alice was sitting on the bank of a river and having nothing to do. Suddenly, a white rabbit with pink eye ran closer by her. The rabbit wore a waistcoat and looked in a hurry. Alice had never seen a rabbit with a waistcoat before, so she followed the rabbit because she was very curious. Then the rabbit entered the large rabbit hole. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some ways, and then dipped down. Suddenly, Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. She found that it filled with cupboards and bookshelves.
Thank you. Nah, so here, yeah, it is about Alice. Okay, so Wawa, please read the question number 1.
Where was Alice sitting?
Where was Alice sitting? On?
The bank of a river.
Okay, on the bank of the river. Yeah, it's mean not a bank for saving money ya. No, this one bank is pinggir sungai maksudnya. Ya, bukan bank ada di sungai, bukan. No. Ya. Bank of a river, berarti di pinggir sungai. Okay. So the question number 2, get Nanda please.
Yes, Miss. What did she see there?
Okay, what did she see there?
A white rabbit with pink eyes. A white rabbit, yeah.
Good. A white rabbit with pink eyes. Okay. And then ada juga yang bilang white rabbit with pink eyes, Miss, and wear a waistcoat. Yeah.
Waistcoat.
Waistcoat. Okay. Or only a white rabbit is also correct. Yeah. Okay. Next, number 3. Please, Gong Satya, read the question number 3.
Yes, Miss.
This one.
Why did she follow the rabbit?
Okay. Why? Because
She's very curious.
she was
Very
very
curious.
curious.
And she never seen the rabbit before.
Yeah. Wow. Why the rabbit wear a waistcoat? Yeah.
Well,
Because
he was
there is no
fancy.
rabbit wear a waistcoat in the real life.
Yeah.
So that's why she was curious. Ya, dia sangat penasaran. Curious is penasaran. And then the next question will be read by Gusweda, please.
How was the hole look like?
Okay, how was the hole look like? Like a tunnel in some ways. Ya, here. Ini ada di sini. Like a tunnel for some ways.
For some.
Okay, 4. And then the next, please, Alexa, read the next question.
What did she find in the hole?
Okay, what did she find? She find?
Cupboards
A
and
cupboard and a
bookshelves.
bookshelf.
Good, cupboards and bookshelf, yeah. Lemari and also rak buku. Thank you. Okay. The next is text about Stephen Hawking. Okay, this one is on the exercises. I put Alice and Stephen Hawking. And then for the ATS, I will put Mercury and the Woodman. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so let's see. Rafa, please read the story. Yeah, start from the title until here.
Okay. Stephen Hawking moved to Cambridge in 1962 and was getting clumsy after moving. On Christmas, when he was getting himself over and could not get up, his family noticed the problem and took him to the family doctor. Then after his 21st birthday, he went to the hospital for testing. He was in for 2 weeks and had a series of tests. The realization that he had an incurable disease, it was like it was a bit of a shock.
Thank you. Okay, please, Ayu, continue to read the text. Start from here until the end of the story.
From yang mana, Miss?
Yeah, start from his
And
until time.
his disability has not been a serious handicap in his work. In fact, his guest satisfying life. He has traveled widely, such as Soviet Union, Japan, China, Antarctica, India, Ireland, China, and United States. He has been under the sea in a submarine and marine and up in zone gravity's flight and went into space with Virgin Galactic. In addition, he was the author of popular science book and a title, A Brief History of Time.
Okay, thank you. Nah, number
Miss,
1. Yes.
Nata, izin live sebentar. Nata nggak bisa hidupin kamera.
Okay. Gusweda, please read the question number 1.
Moving the Kabul in 1962,
Cambridge.
Cambridge in 1962, Stephen Hawking.
Okay, now this one. After moving to Cambridge in 1962. So there are two ways to read the year. Ya, ada dua cara untuk baca tahun. Pertama, langsung 1962 atau dibagi dua-dua. Ya, 1962. Nah, 1962. Bisa juga. Ya. Nah, okay. Jadi, after move to Cambridge in 1962, Stephen Hawking was getting clumsy. Yeah. Okay. Next, Rara, please read the question.
After being tested, the doctor proclaimed that he was suffering from
an incurable disease. Ya, incurable disease is penyakit yang katanya tidak dapat disembuhkan. Ya. Okay, then next, Wawa, please read it. Okay, some achievements, ya. You may start writing or typing, start from here until the end. Ya, so start from here until the end is the achievement atau prestasi. Ya.
Copy.
You can choose some of them. Ya, tidak perlu semuanya, but you can choose some of them. Oh, he has traveled to the Soviet Union, Japan, and China. It's okay. Yeah. Or the achievement is he made a book, miss. The title is A Brief History of Time. It's okay. Ya, bisa juga. So you can choose start from this part until this part. Yeah. Okay, next I will ask Opang. Please read this one.
He felt that his disability has been an asset in some ways
because nah ini dia ya, it has been an asset because
he has able to
devote himself completely to research. Ya, ini dia. Thank you, Opang. Research. Okay, so this is the last question for reading. Yeah, I would like to ask Arjun, please read the last question.
After reading the Stephen Hawking story, the lesson or moral value that you get is
okay. So, what do you think? Yeah, what is the moral value?
Never give up on your dream.
Give up. Okay, good. And then the other, maybe do you have another opinion? Apa kira-kira yang bisa kita pelajari dari Stephen Hawking? Never give up. And then Always be focused.
On your dreams.
Stephen Hawking.
Okay, I
Sebentar,
think
Miss,
that's
jangan dulu dikirim. Sebentar, jangan dulu dikirim.
I will not submit it.
Bersyukur.
Always be grateful, yeah. Always be grateful, bersyukur. Okay, good. Anything else?
No.
No, okay. So, yeah, these are the answers, yeah. And also, Miss Rus will say thank you, yeah, for students who have joined the class today. And also, yeah, 5B for AHA and listening, yeah, have been complete. So, thank you so much.
Miss, ini kalau Miss kirim, itu berarti kita menyontek nggak sih, Miss?
This one is exercises, ya. Jadi bisa dikerjakan beberapa kali. Nanti maybe after this, if you want to answer it, ya, apakah masih ingat dengan yang tadi Miss Ru sudah bahas atau sudah lupa? Nah, ya, it's okay. You can also see your answers, ya, and then the answer key also given. Miss Rus juga cantumkan answer key kalau anak-anak sudah selesai menjawab, bisa dicek. Ya, which one is wrong, which one is correct. Ya,